People who try self-publishing fail. That's the hard truth. They pour hours into writing, they upload a book to Amazon, and then nothing happens. No sales, no reviews, no momentum. But here's the good news. It's not because self-publishing doesn't work. It's because most people go about it the wrong way. In this video, I'm gonna break down the 3 biggest reasons why most authors fail at self-publishing and what you can do differently to actually succeed. Ready? Let's dive in. Now, failure number 1 is that they have no clear plan. The first big reason most people fail is that they don't even have a clear strategy. They dive in without an outline, without a publishing roadmap, or without even understanding their audience. They think, if I just write a book, it'll sell itself. But the reality is, without a structured approach, knowing your niche, building a strong outline, and creating a publishing plan, then you'll just end up with a book that lacks direction and doesn't connect with readers. So what to do differently? Start with clarity. Use tools like AI to generate a solid outline. Research your niche before you write and know exactly who your ideal reader is before you even start writing. A book with a roadmap is 10 times more likely to succeed than a book that was written blindly. Now, failure number 2, poor cover and formatting. The second reason most people fail is just because their book doesn't look professional. Think about it. When you're browsing on Amazon, what makes you click? The cover. And yet so many authors throw away making a good design and skip formatting altogether. And what's the result? A book that looks amateur and readers don't want to take it seriously. So what can you do differently? Well, invest time in making your cover stand out. Even with free tools like Canva, ChatGPT's image generation, and even Amazon's own cover creator, you can build a cinematic, professional looking design. And for formatting, make sure your ebook, paperback, and hardcover are all clean, readable, and polished. If your book looks like it belongs on a bestsellers list, then readers will treat it that way. Now, failure number 3 is expecting instant sales. The third reason most people fail is mindset. They expect instant results. They think hitting publish means money will just start rolling in overnight. But the real reality, self-publishing is a business. Amazon has millions of books. If you don't understand marketing, keywords, and positioning, then your book will sit in the digital graveyard where nobody finds it. So what to do differently about this? Focus on visibility. Learn how to optimize your titles and keywords so that way your book can get discovered. Promote it through YouTube, social media, or even simple email lists. And most importantly, treat it like a long-term business, not a lottery ticket. So here's the recap. Most people fail at self-publishing because they don't have a plan. They cut corners on designing and formatting, and they expect results without putting in the work. But you don't have to make those mistakes. If you take the right steps, building a clear outline, designing a professional looking cover, and learning how to market your book, then you can build a real sustainable publishing business. And if you want me to guide you through that entire process step by step, I created a complete course that teaches you exactly how to do it. From creating your manuscript with AI, to formatting and cover design, to publishing and turning one book into multiple income streams. It's all inside. The link is below if you're serious about publishing success. Don't let your book idea die like so many others do. Do it the right way, and your book can actually work for you instead of sitting unseen forever. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.